Sonya Blaze is a Russian rising fashion model, adult film actress, Instagram star, and social media influencer. She's famous for working with Vixen, a popular adult film studio. She's also famous for sharing sizzling, captivating, attractive photos and videos on Instagram. Sonya was born and grew up in Russia along with her family and friends. Having been a fashion and modeling fanatic from a young age, she chose to make a career in the same field while studying in high school. She amassed initial fame on Instagram by sharing her sizzling photos and videos. With rising fame as a model, Sonya was synced by Vixen, a popular adult film studio. As an actress, she has acted in many films and short videos. Besides this, she has been a face and promoter of various fashion brands. Furthermore, Sonya has an OnlyFans account, where her exclusive contents are uploaded for premium users. As per Sonya Blaze's date of birth, her age is 22 years as of now in 2021. Sonya Blaze's height is about 5 feet 7 inches and her weight is approximately 54 kilograms. Sonya Blaze's net worth as of now in 2021 is supposed to be more than 550k. The source of her earning are modeling, acting, brand promotions, advertisements, and different business ventures. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest update.